Welcome to ArtCo Drone Solutions Philippine Travel Vlog. Hey, thanks for coming to ArtCo Drone Solutions. We've got a special going on here. I just got back from a fabulous trip to the Philippines, and I hope you will enjoy these videos. Now, these videos are going to be broken up into several sections, so over the next few days or few weeks, you'll be seeing a new video from my trip. So sit back and enjoy. You're going to like these videos. Hey, today's video is coming from Kembali Condo Beach Resorts in Samal Island, Philippines. It's an island that's located off the coast of Davao City, Mindanao, Philippines, which is at the southern end of the country. So sit back and enjoy the videos. You're going to love it. You're going to get to see some of the interior of the place that we stayed at, and we'll give you some information about the resort. And sit back and enjoy the video.
Siya mo nga daw niya atong ilang kuan.
Buhay mo ito kasi hindi ako. Kuan today sa ay kardaba ba?
Oh, ay mo palit ni.
Wala ay akong bigli.
Pit na siya yung kuan pit. Banana kuan.
Our neighbor, hi!
Na nice June. Ikan pustit.
Itong last week na nakuan, taga Quezon City, diri dugay ni sila hanto na po.
Ang pinaka millions of paniki. Bahala na si Batman. Ano wala ko pa rin na. Okay.
Mga bagong anak kanina dito mga bagong practice mo na sila diri. Nga po ni sila mga senior. Dito mga hilom na kayo.
Tigulang na. Oo, namin diri karon sa Bat Cave. Dahan kayo mga paniki,
Wala na.
Here I am, riding Bao Bao. It's a tour of the island. We just got back from the back caves, and so it's a fun ride. My honey, Irene. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you like my channel, please subscribe by clicking on the icon in the lower right hand corner. And don't forget to ring that bell so you'll be notified when my next video is uploaded, so you'll stay up to date on this channel. I also do a live stream every Saturday evening at 4 p.m. Pacific, 5 Mountain, 6 Central, and 7 Eastern Time. And I also give away a box of Enstrom's almond toffee. Great stuff. And since this is a special after my trip from the Philippines, I've got some great gifts that I brought back from the Philippines. So come on over next Saturday, and don't forget, keep them flying.